You want knees? You want knees? Get it, Oats. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. Clever boy. Drop it. Good boy. Get it. Get it. Where's your stick? You got it? You not got it? Go get your stick. You know I've got one. And we're going to do this for about 2 bleeding hours. I can hear you. Good boy. He's clever.